We're going to take a look at ES on multiple time frames so we could get a gist of what's happening with the market. I've been bearish. We're going to continue to be bearish until proven otherwise. So stick around. I already did a video on Tesla and on NVIDIA for our Patreon. It's $3, best $3 you'll ever spend. Hi, I'm Options Tenor, and if you're new to this, go down to that bottom right hand corner, hit that Options Center logo, and subscribe. We do plenty of videos for you for updates. Okay, we're also going to go through VIX. We have lots of things ringing here. Dollar, we'll check out that. And the main two sell-off signals that we had, I'll post that video up above. That's why we've been bearish, and we'll see what happens now. Okay, getting into it, we have ES on the monthly time frame. We have this this line that we drew here. We've been in this range. I could draw another one right underneath. We've been in this range for 10 months. We are rejecting again off of that. This was our first sell signal. This is that we were talking about on the other video. We have to get above it to be bullish. This is a reversal candle, reversed off the top of the range. Then we're back at that 8 EMA. So just chopping sideways on the monthly time frame for now until we get some follow through. We have plenty of time on this month for that candle to be red. After this ascending triangle, we broke down. We have a lower highs, lower lows, indicating a downtrend. It's market structure in this weekly time frame. It's very specific. That's why we have to be bearish until proven otherwise. I do understand that we made a high, a higher low, and a higher high here to firm up the bullish, point of view. But it's just difficult. We're still making a lower high right here. So the bulls have a lot of work to do. We reversed off of this 40, let's just call it 4,200 area, and now we're breaking down from that point. We had a nice push last week, but it's not holding. We're looking weak. So just be careful here. If you're bullish, there's plenty of bounces, but this is not the time for me personally to pick up any of those bounces. I do think this is going to start to accelerate. It does have some confluence going on here, but we're right back at that trend line where we reversed before in the 20 simple. So it's not surprising why price is kind of grinding right here, even though we usually say stairs up, elevator down. It seems like we're stair stepping down and elevator up, right? So yeah, price has been accelerating a little bit here after 1 o'clock. So we'll see what happens, how we close the day. But the week is already, it's Tuesday, and this thing is just, that's a big candle. So let's see what happens. Powell, I know that's a catalyst there. I'm not really worried about what he said. I'm worried about the price action after he said. So on this point of view, from the daily trend is our friend. We have the uptrend line. We have this wedge, broke down from the wedge, just kind of skirted down here. I do believe that was, yes, some people are calling that a fake out or a bear trap. I warned this on the short this morning and yesterday that this was possibly very similar to back here where we had this nice bullish candle, broke back down. That was an A, B, C expanding flat. So we had this nice candle, A, B, C expanded flat. Now that's not confirmed yet because we haven't made new lows, but that was a nice impulsive wave. But you see we're rejecting off of that uptrend line. It seemed like we had gotten above it, but this was key, this reversal candle off of the 20 simple moving average and then follow through today. So let's look at the 65-minute, and I'll show you what I'm talking about on this hourly time frame. This was our low. Then we had an A, a three-wave move up, and I said this was possibly a three-wave move down, and that would be our B, and this beautiful impulsive wave up. It's a 5-wave move, so we had to be careful there because, and we still do. We have to watch price action right now. It feels very bearish, and the breadth is is bearish as well. So I'm holding on to positions, but rolling them out as we go. But with this being a 5-wave move up, we have to watch out for this being a 1-2 setup and a continuation to the upside. Other than that, then that's an A, B, C, which C waves are impulsive. And then we continue lower. So we're getting into that, show the Elliott wave. We're getting into the area here. We rejected off the 50%. This is not my final count here, so don't take this. I did do this as a 1-2 1-2. It's possible that that's your 1-2 with a leading diagonal, and then a 5-wave move down for 1, A, B, C correction for 2, and then lower. Okay, that's my primary, but I have to kind of work that out as the market gives us more information. There's an alt situation, and that would be that we're getting right into, and you see that there's a reaction right now. So as soon as I get off this video, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure my positions are correct and take off some let's see here, take off some risk. Excuse me, I was looking over. Take off some risk here because this is the zone where this should be a 1-2 setup, and so it's clear that we're going to have some sort of bounce. But you see, we only really have a 1-2, and then there's some more action going in here. But 1-2, this should be very shallow if we're looking for more downside, where this would be like a wave 4 and then a 5 continuing down. It could do a 1-2 1-2 setup here as well. Okay, so that's our update. Again, like these videos, thanks for the support. We've really been accelerating on subscribers. I know we're a small channel, but we want to try to get this great information out to everybody. So thanks for joining us here at Option Center. Have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you in the morning.